Through 100 pitches, 66 were strikes. Ground ball, and here's Ibar charging and unable to. Yes, he does get him. That was a great recovery by Ibar. That ball coming up off his glove, and he quickly got it in his bare hand and threw. And we'll see if the Astros want to challenge this call at first by Chad Fairchild. Marisnick is staying on the base.
When I saw the bobble, I thought there's no chance to get Marisnick. Ibar stuck with it, and now we'll see how this plays out here. Nicely done, Jake.
Going to play out favorably for the home team.
Yes, it is. Or should. Are they going to find a way to say too close to change that?
Not if they're looking at the replay we just saw.
Yeah, that certainly appeared that Jake had his foot on the bag.
The fans are now cheering because they see the freeze frame up on the big board, El Grande, and they are clapping because they realize that this call is about to be overturned.
Jake gets that heel on the ground. Yeah, is the foot on the bag there is the question.
The answer is yes.
Yeah, I would say yes as well. What I'm presenting is what the folks in New York are going to say. Is that foot touching the bag? I think so.
It is. Rich Dower, the first base coach, with the safe sign. Marisnick looking back at the bench immediately to indicate that call should be part of a manager challenge. Call was made by Chad Fairchild. The crew chief is Greg Gibson. George Springer and Jake Marisnick, very good friends. Share a smile there. If this isn't overturned, that smile's going to disappear in a hurry from their faces. Ibar did make a quick recovery, didn't he?
He certainly did. See, I think that they've been debating that issue in New York, and they finally see it your way, Brownie.
They got it right.
We got a lot of folks completely agree. That's a great way to start an inning.